Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are unboxing the FABFITFUN Summer box. This is $49.99 a month, not a month, every 3 months. Comes once a season. And yeah, let's get inside and see what we got. Okay, so here is the box. There are my bingo wings. So here's the catalog that tells us everything that's inside. And then that is what the box looks like. And it's a big one. So let's see what we have. All right, well, let's open it. Okay, item number 1 is, I think I picked like 5 products and this is definitely one of them. So this is silked. It's a satin pillow sleeve. And what? It's, yeah, satin, Jay.
Like a pillow cover?
Yeah, it's designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed.
Wow.
It fits over standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases.
How many's in there? Just one?
Just, ooh, I don't like the feel of it.
Oh no. Is that a queen or a king? That's a small one.
That's not going to fit a king size pillow.
No way. Well, unless it stretches like crazy. Does it stretch?
No, it's like a muff.
Oh, you put it in the middle so only your head's on the... Oh, well,
yeah.
Does.
So,
okay.
Yeah, obviously that'll fit everything.
Yeah.
So that is the front. It's like a... Is it silver or purple?
I think it's more orange tinged.
What?
Yeah, from my angle.
Well, it's a certain color, and then the back looks like this. So that is item number 1. Okay, item number 2 is a big old box. This is another something that I picked. It's from Isaac Mizrahi, Jason.
Who's that?
A famous designer. So it's a ceramic decorative vase.
Isaac Mizrahi. Is that how you say that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute. So it's a cute little ceramic vase with glazed pink.
It's like half glazed.
Yeah.
It's kind of, I don't
It's
know,
a
artistic.
Cool sound. It is very artistic.
Yeah.
So that is item number 2, and it is a fragile, delicate item. Item number 3 is from Winky Lux, and it's a unibrow. I think I have this already. So if I do, I won't use it. But I think it's a spoolie on one end and then a brow product on the other. Yeah, I definitely have this. So that's...
Yeah, you mean from a previous box?
Yeah, from a previous box. Not a previous FABFITFUN, but one of the other ones I get. So that is item number 3. So it's got a spoolie on one side and then the product on the other. So that is for your eyebrows.
So what do you paint your eyebrows like it's lipstick and then you just like brush them out with the other thing? Or?
No, you brush it first.
Oh.
Like to put them in
and then
place.
You just touch them with that thing. Oh my.
So you have denser eyebrows.
Okay.
Because eyebrows are the big thing right now.
I don't know.
I just have wild, crazy eyebrows most days.
I let mine go wild.
Yes, you do. Alright, next item is a squeezy tube from Spongele. A hand cream, coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Oh, I love the smell of
argan oil?
Coconut verbena. Which is good because I'm pretty low on hand creams right now.
Oh yeah?
That smells nice. Do I smell that?
Sure. It smells like suntan lotion. Almost.
Yeah, it does. Or like a pina colada.
It's really coconutty. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a nice item.
Well, it says coconut right on it. So
it does, yeah.
yeah.
Alright, what do we got next? We got this box. What's this? So this is from the brand Hydropeptide, I think. It is a moisture reset phytonutrient facial oil. Anti-wrinkle and restore. I love a good facial oil. I love it when they come out of the box. It's even better. So it's a very pretty pink bottle, and it's got a dropper.
Oh wow! And you just drop it on your face. Wow, that's nice. It's clinical.
You can't really smell it over the smell of my hand cream, but that's a very nice item. Oh, you're gonna smell it. So you can smell it.
Yeah.
So it's antioxidant-rich blend of a dozen precious oils that locks in moisture and helps protect skin from environmental stressors and free radicals.
I don't know how to describe it, but it has a pleasant scent.
Oh, that's good. It's better than an
I don't know
unpleasant
how to
scent.
describe
The
that.
box was a little dinged up.
I really like the smell of it. And I can tell by the smell of it that it will be absorbed into your skin very quickly.
Oh, you can?
It seems like it.
You're a scientific genius.
Yes.
All right, what else we got in here? Another squeezy tube from Tarocco. It's a foot cream. Jason, isn't that exciting?
Oh, wow.
Oh, Sicilian blood oranges scent.
Specifically from Sicily? Wow.
Oh, poop. Why did I
No,
say
it didn't
that?
touch you.
Yeah, it did.
Oh.
It smells really good.
I love that scent.
Do you want to just take off that excess? I love the smell of
I'm
oranges.
just going to smell it for a while.
Okay,
You carry on.
You could put it on your hand and smell it.
Oh, okay.
So that is that item. I don't know how many we're at. All right, next item is from Black. It's eye masks with hyaluronic acid, and I believe in this box I've got this product before.
What's hyaluronic acid?
You don't know, it's a good acid for you though.
Okay.
It's in a lot of anti-aging
okay.
products. I don't know, I'm not a scientist.
Does it melt the dead skin off? Kind of a thing?
No, I don't think so. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not sure. So this has got 5 masks.
Oh, wow. Oh, like for your eyes.
Yeah, that's why they're called eye masks.
Okay. Well, that's...
You only choose and pick the words you want to hear sometimes.
When you talk, yeah.
Okay, I'm so upset now I can't even close that. And next up we have another squeezy tube. Oh, it's by the brand Black again.
A lot of stuff in this box.
Yes, I like this box.
Yeah.
So this is a face mask. Very exciting, not really. And I think this...
What do you... Like, you rub it on and then just wash it off?
It depends on what the brand says.
Oh.
Cleanse your skin. Oh, it's a peeling mask. It's a
There
peeling
you go.
mask, Jay.
So it pulls out the blackheads?
Not blackheads, just dead skin
Okay.
for your whole face. And then the last item is this, which I think I picked. Oh, it's a beach towel.
Wow.
From the brand
Looks plush.
L Space.
It looks like it's very absorbent. I like the ends of it.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
It's a little tasseled. Oh, nothing's going my way today.
You just started in the wrong spot.
I did. Oh, jeez. I just punched myself. Alright, so.
Is it a unicorn?
No, I think it's just tie-dyed.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
it's a nice size.
Yeah, beach towel. Well, that's nice.
So
That's
it's
a nice.
definitely like a bath sheet towel.
Does it feel really absorbent?
I can't tell. So this side's tie-dyed and then this side's just white.
Generally, you have to give them one wash and then
Got
they
these
really
nice
shine.
tassels. You want to feel?
I really like that.
Yeah.
Good pick.
So that's all of our items, I think. That's everything in the box. So let's see if they can give us some pricing. Okay, so it's $49.99 a month, and the total retail value...
Every 3 months.
Yes.
Yes.
Did I say every month again?
You did.
So it could be between $225.50 and $477.
Anywhere in their range? It seems like a good deal.
So the space tie-dye towel, guess how much this towel is?
$10.
$58.
Why?
Oh no. So
Wow.
that's $58.
Hey, that's kind of a fun. Maybe I should guess the prices and then you tell me what they are.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so guess how much this hydropeptide reset face oil is?
$47.
$120.
Oh my god. No way.
That's what it says.
It does smell very fine. Like the oil, you can tell is a very fine oil.
Yes. $120 worth of oil.
I don't know. I'm not a fashionista, so maybe I don't know.
You're not. Then the pillowcase. Guess.
Just because it's satin, I'm going to like go overboard. So I'm going to go $120.
$29.50.
Oh wow.
And then the black peel off mask and. Okay, so these come.
That's a good
this
price
is
for
one
that.
set. Guess how much this set is?
Okay, it's face masks and then it's a
Eye
plunger.
mask and a face mask. Yes.
$40.
$59.
That was closer.
And then the Isaac Mizrahi vase.
Okay, sorry.
Isaac Mizrahi vase.
Isaac Mizrahi. Actually, it's very artistic. I like the way it's dripped over. I'm gonna go $60.
$28.
Oh wow, that's a good price. I would pay $28 for that vase. Okay.
The Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eye Pencil.
Double-ended thing.
Yep.
$10.
$16.
Okay, well I'm zoning in.
The Tarocco Foot Cream.
Foot cream. $12.
$24.
Oh really? Wow.
Yep.
Double. Okay. What's in it? Is it like some really special stuff or what?
Menthol and olive oil.
I like the feel of menthol. Plus.
And then this, I think, is the last item. It's the hand cream.
17.
18. Very close.
18. I'm zoning in. Okay. The whole thing.
What is the whole thing valued at?
$352.
$352. That's not bad.
So
That's not bad. But that being said, I am very disappointed in this box.
I think you got some stuff that you don't enjoy, but it's very high quality version.
I know. The only thing. Okay, so here's my problem. I have this already, and it's not their fault. I know.
Yeah.
But I also have these already, and I think that I've got them in a previous box.
Of this, of FabFitFun?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
But I can't be 100% sure. And there was no real makeup products except for the eyebrow stuff.
All 3 boxes were skincare stuff.
All 3, yeah. Yes, this third video.
Probably
that
because
we
this
filmed
time
tonight.
of year is very hard on your skin.
It is, I know, but so's the winter time.
That's fair. Yeah.
So, favorites? You want to pick favorites?
Sure.
Okay. I like this towel.
I like the towel. Yeah.
I like the vase.
Yes.
This is $120 face oil, and I do like a good face oil.
You like it because it's expensive.
Yes, I do like it because it's expensive. And then I'm going to go with the black peel-off mask because I love a good peeling mask. And then the hand cream because I ran out.
Does that mean it hardens up and then you peel it off? Is that what that means?
Yeah, like it's like.
Yeah, okay.
And then the eye patches because you can always use a good eye mask. Then the foot cream. And then the pillowcase. And then the
Pillowcase
unibrow.
is weird.
Pillowcase is weird.
It's like
It's supposed to be good for your like.
it's like advertising a tablecloth to somebody and then giving them one of those runner things. It's weird. Like thanks.
You learned that. So that was the summer FabFitFun box, and I've had better. I don't know if I'm just in a mood today while I'm filming all these videos, but nothing seems to be exciting me very much. What do you think, Jay?
I think maybe it's your attitude today. We're going to have to talk about that.
Anyways, thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, and you can subscribe here. And you can watch more videos here and here. And I hope you're all staying healthy and happy and managing through these difficult times. And I will see you again soon.